What do you think about ice cream?
I like ice cream.
You'll go for ice cream? We got Kirk's attention with the ice cream.
Who doesn't? Unless they're lactose.
Okay, so you got the lactose.
Unless they're lactose.
But I just feel like there's a range to how much a person likes ice cream. You see, you might be right that everybody or a lot of people like ice cream, but there's a range to how much you like ice cream. So where's your range on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would say a solid 7.
A 7?
I'm not a sweet tooth guy, so
Okay. You know you could get salty ice cream is a new thing now.
yeah, salted caramel kind of
Yeah,
thing.
you can get a salty ice
great.
cream as well if you're into it. I'm big on the ice cream thing. In fact, I've been on record as saying if the alien visits Earth
They should try it
and
first.
he only gets to try one food, I would hit him with the ice cream because of the melting characteristic.
Yeah.
You see, what's interesting to me about ice cream
Yeah.
is the flavor is really just a small part of it, to me. Now, this article is all about flavors.
Okay.
And I got nothing against flavors. I like flavor. But what's special about ice cream is the melting characteristic. There's so few foods that you eat that start out in one form, hit your tongue, and become another. That's an experience.
Yeah.
From solid to liquid because of your involvement as a heated human being.
Mm-hmm.
This is sophisticated stuff, ice cream.
It's a whole texture thing as well.
Huge.
You know?
It's huge. And that's sort of where I'm at because I haven't yet met an ice cream flavor I didn't like. However, some states in the United States are into some pretty strange flavors. So Google shared some insights into Americans' frozen treat preferences ahead of National Ice Cream Day, which is on Sunday. So pick up some ice cream.
Okay. Yeah.
And these preferences are not the most popular flavors, period, but they're the most popular, unusual flavors in a particular region. You follow me on that?
Interesting.
Sunday marks National Ice Cream Day, and to mark the occasion, Google released some interesting search trends data about the beloved frozen treat. They compiled a list of the most uniquely searched ice cream flavors in each state. Alabama, peach. Alaska, peach. Arkansas, peach. Georgia, peach. Have you ever had peach ice cream in your life?
No. No.
I feel like we're missing out. Georgia, peach. Now, I'll give you a couple of other ones.
Okay.
DC picks butter pecan. Colorado picks vanilla, which I don't know. That's not an unusual flavor. Iowa, Rocky Road. Maryland, banana. Massachusetts, Cookie Monster. Is that like cookies and cream? I would assume so. So anyway, this got me thinking, Will, that I should ask you what your favorite ice cream flavor is. But you can't pick a major one.
No peach.
You can't pick peach. You never tried peach.
Yeah.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I do like Cherry Garcia.
Cherry Garcia. That's a Ben and Jerry's.
Yep. Yep.
That's cherry and chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate bits.
Yeah, it's a great time.
Yeah.
But again, I'm a bad guy to ask because I never bumped into a flavor I didn't like. And if you give me a Ben and Jerry's, it's no problem. I'll take anyone.
Yeah. Well, what's
You don't like Tiger Tail? Okay, first of all, I feel like I'm lacking exposure to Tiger Tail because my brother, the last time this topic came up, said the exact same thing to me. He's like, what about Tiger Tail? Okay, so Kirk thinks Tiger Tail is disgusting. I don't remember the last time I have it. I bet you I would be fine with it. What is it? It has black licorice in it? I feel like I'd be fine. I feel like I'd be fine with Tiger Tail, but I understand where you're coming from. It's fair.
Canadian?
Black licorice is a flavor that is very polarizing. Where do you land on licorice, Will?
Not a fan.
Okay.
Well,
see?
I like red licorice.
No, that's not licorice. That's just candy. And I'm fine with that
sugar.
too. I'm fine with that too.
Black licorice, no.
Yeah, it's a potent flavor. In fact, I have some relatives from the Netherlands and they love the licorice there and they bring the real potent stuff and it'll clear your nostrils.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's some real deal stuff.
Oh.
It's a potent flavor. So shout out. Shout out to licorice. And of course ice cream.
Well, what's your favorite? What's your go-to?
Oh, that's rude. That's a rude question. What has been showing up in my house? Has a Ben and Jerry's flavor been showing up in my house recently? which is a chocolate with some almonds in it.
Okay.
I like a chocolate base. You know what? When I was a kid, I used to like pralines and cream.
Oh, okay.
If I go to Baskin Robbins, I like world-class chocolate, which is a special texture.
Uh-huh.
I don't have a favorite. You see what I'm doing here?
Oh, jeez. Just pick one.
Maple? Anything maple? Have you ever had maple ice cream?
Yeah, yeah. That's something.
So, I'm not going to pick a favorite.
All right, fine. Peach.